Hi, welcome to Solar System Astronomy Lab. I am your instructor, Michelle Cullen, and I just wanted to take a few minutes to introduce myself and get you started on the class. If you're in Blackboard now, you should be able to go to the link that says Start Here. You found this video, and you are able to see that I want you to look at the syllabus. So if you go ahead and click on your syllabus, you'll see that it is one that's made by Prince William Sound College, and it has a huge table of contents that have hyperlinks. Scroll down and go to the part of the course that has to do with me. I want you to go to the student evaluation and grading. You can learn about how my class is set up, how you only have 2 assignments generally each module, and those will be the discussion lab, which will only be 5 points, and it'll also have the lab itself. In each learning module, there'll be information about how to do the lab. Generally, I'll have a template that's a Word document. You can go ahead and open it up and fill in that document, and that's going to help you out. And then clean it up so that it's really clean. Get rid of all the instructions and anything that's not necessary, and make it easy for me to grade it. When I'm grading your labs, I want you to highlight or bold or use a different color the answers, and that way I can go through quickly and easily and grade them. Because remember, you can get a better grade when it's easier for your instructor to grade them. You'll find as you read down about the course, you'll see that I do not accept late work. The labs are basically going to be due 1 per module, and they will be due in the end of the first week of the module. Labs are supposed to be an introduction, a jump start, getting you going on the learning objectives through some sort of activity. Some of them are computer-based and some of them are hands-on. So you'll see through each module complete and clear directions on how to do it. But get those labs in on time. You have to submit them on Blackboard. Make sure they're actually there. After you submit it, you'll be able to see that there is a link and your assignment has been uploaded completely. And that means that if it's there, I can grade it and you can get credit. So basically your attendance is taken in this class through your participation in the discussion and in turning in your assignments. And the discussions will start on Wednesday. That helps you make sure that you've read through the lab, you kind of have a plan of what you're going to do. Go through and read your classmates' lab discussion posts. They may have some great insights, something that will help you out. They also may have questions, and you may be able to help them out. Of course, if you do have a question and I'm not answering it in the discussion board and no one in the lab seems to know, no one else seems to know, then please just give me an email. Also, if that's not working, you can text me. I have my phone number in there. And as a last resort, we can do a Zoom or I can talk to you over the phone. And we'll usually make an appointment for that, but if it's getting desperate, let's say the assignment's not available, the link disappeared and it's before the due date, then let me know. Give me a call because other people might really need to get that fixed in a timely fashion. As you go through the syllabus, you'll see that there's a course schedule and assignments, and this is mirrored within the course of Blackboard. When you go onto that link on the left side for the lab modules, you're going to see each folder is for a specific module and it has the dates of that lab. And I've also had some students in the past, last semester, say, I only have 1 week, it's not enough. Well, that's not true. You actually have 2 weeks to do your lab. So if you need extra time, start early. If you need help, make sure you give yourself enough time to ask me and to ask your other students to help you too. There's only one more thing that I really want to let you know is that I will be mailing you through the mail a box that will have a few items that will help you do some of the labs, a few things, including some items that you can use for an extra credit lab, which I highly encourage you to do, which is on collecting micrometeorites. So go ahead and play around with this lab course on Blackboard and click on the parts and see what resources are there, and make sure that you understand how it's going to work. The beauty of it is we're going to have the same schedule each week, and you'll see that even though the labs are going to be different, we're going to mix it up. They're going to be fun, and they'll be really helping you on the quiz in a very important hands-on way. So don't be afraid of the lab. You're going to love it. You're going to get the science going and learn about the solar system. This is Michelle Cullen signing out.